Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Cash App. Alright, so let's begin. The first thing you need to do is get the app set up. Go to your app store, download and install Cash App. When you open the app, it will ask you to enter your phone number or your email. You only need to choose one, and whichever option you select will be associated with your account. Cash App will then send a security code to that phone number or email, which you will need to enter into the app. Next, the app will ask you to link a debit card. You can skip this step if you want, but keep in mind that if you don't link a debit card, you'll be asked to enter one every time you send money. After that, Cash App will ask for your first and last name. It will not ask for your social security number at this stage, but you should know that it may request it later when you use certain features in the app. After entering your name, you'll create your cash tag. This is your unique username that other people can use to send you money. You may need to try a few different options before finding one that's available. Cash App will also ask if you want to sync your phone contacts. This step is optional, but it can be convenient because it helps you easily find friends who are already using Cash App. Once your account is set up, you're ready to send and receive money. You can send money even if you don't have funds in your Cash App balance, as long as you have a linked debit card. To send money, start from the main screen, enter the amount and tap Pay. Then choose the person you want to send money to by searching their name, cash tag, phone number, or email. If you synced your contacts, they'll appear here as well. You can add a note explaining what the payment is for and choose where the money will come from, such as your Cash App balance, a debit card, or a credit card. Keep in mind that credit cards have a fee, while Cash App balance and debit cards are free. If you're sending money to someone in person, you can also use the QR code feature. Tap the upper left corner to open the scanner and scan the other person's QR code. This is a great way to make sure you're sending money to the correct person. To request money, enter the amount and tap Request, then choose the person you want to request money from and add a note. They'll receive a notification letting them know you're requesting payment. It's also possible to send or request money from someone who isn't on Cash App yet. Simply enter the amount, tap Pay, and type in their email address. If they're not on Cash App, they'll receive an email prompting them to join in order to receive the money. If you have money in Cash App and want to transfer it to your bank account, tap on your balance in the lower left corner. From there, you can tap Withdraw, but this will only work if you've already linked a bank account. To add a bank, go to your profile in the upper right corner, scroll down and tap Linked Banks and follow the steps to connect your bank using the Plaid service. Once your bank is linked, you can cash out using either the standard option, which is free and takes 1 to 3 days, or the instant option, which has a fee. If you prefer to spend your Cash App balance directly, you can order a Cash App debit card by tapping the Card tab in the app. Once you have the card, you can use it just like a regular debit card, and that's it. So that's basically how you can use Cash App. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.